Good afternoon, dear colleagues. Today we'll take a look at SecurOS server replacement. Here we have SecurOS configuration. In the configuration, we have three servers, Win 10.01, 10.02, 10.03. As you can see, Win 10.03 is marked with a red cross, which means it's offline. Here in the server manager, we also can see that we have two machines that are running. Win03 should be here, but it's offline. We can see no connection. And we also can see Win 10.04 machine, which is not running SecurOS. It is waiting for Wizard. Means Win 10.04 will be used as a replacement server. So here we have Win 10.01, here we have Win 10.02, here is Win 10.04. And we will do two steps. First, we will clean up database on the Win 10.04 to make it ready to connect to the new system. It's not always required, but still, I would prefer to connect a clean server to the system. So first of all, we will go to SecurOS folder and run server role manager utility. In the server role manager utility, we'll select connect to configuration server and enter IP address of the new configuration server, which is Win10.01, which is 10.10.10.12.2. Okay. It was already connected, so it gets me this green check mark, which is okay. Usually you should press apply after this and close this. Then we need to again open this folder and select DSAdmin utility, select settings DB, and check the database name. Database name is default here, SecurOS. I want to remove this database. I want to create it again and mark it up so it will have no configuration. To do this, I stop the service. Then I go to pgadmin utility. pgadmin utility is located in your search in start. Here I have a list of databases. I have a FSIndex, Postgres, Protocol, SecurOS. This database I want to remove. Okay, I don't need pgadmin anymore. After this, go to SecurOS folder again. Here is 11.8. It is in bin 64 now, right? Yes. IDB. IDB utility will create a database from scratch and make a markup. So I press test, it says failed because the database is not present. So I press update database. Yeah, my bad. We need to select DBI file, which is here. Update. Meanwhile, if this server was before in the cluster, I need to run command prompt. Okay, this one says done. I run it again. I press test. It tells me success. Okay, very good. Okay. Then if it was before in the cluster, I need to go to SecurOS directory, and in SecurOS directory run cluster clee utility with parameters leave minus forced. This is if this server was not running in the cluster before. This is not required, but this will not hurt anything. Okay, well, it's thinking now we need to alter this SecurOS configuration. So the easiest way to replace this dead server Win10-03 is to rename server Win10-04 to Win10-03 and then just use it as peripheral server. But we will not go in this way. Failed to connect to Vimeo server. Yeah, because I didn't start this service. To do this, to alter the configuration, what we are going to do, we're going to go to the system settings, saving and restoring configuration, pressing save button. It suggests me a default folder, default file name. I don't change them. It saves to seek program data iss sysconfig default.json. Then I go to SecurOS folder. No, it's better to do it like this. I go to command prompt. I go to SecurOS folder. And I run utility comp name changer.exe. Parameters are file default. Default is the file name that we have just created here. If it was different, select different file name without this JSON at the end, just the default. Then I type in old computer name, which is 10-03, and then I type the new computer name, which is win10-04. So I want to rename computer win10-03 to computer win10-04. It tells me that it renamed one slave. Slave means computer, and well, one children object. So this children object means everything that was in this slave, in this computer. Okay, by doing this, it created a new file. Here in program data iss sysconfig. Now we can see a file that is called default.json.json, which we are going to use. Here in the same settings, we are pressing restore, select file. This new file created by the utility, restore. This will restart SecurOS. This will restart SecurOS here. It will restart SecurOS here also on the live server at some point. SecurOS. Let's see. Yeah, now this one is restarting. Okay. Let's take a look. So we have this third computer. Its name didn't change. It still is called Win10-03, but its ID changed. So server name has changed. Now we can go to Win10-04 and connect it to this system. Wait, let's wait until Windows Win10-02 restarts. Meanwhile, we close this one. What is this? No problem. Win10-02 connected. Yes. Here we have a clean SecurOS installation. You can achieve this by making a clean SecurOS installation with the SecurOS installer without removing any databases, but still. So if the database is created but is empty, SecurOS will call system configuration wizard, which will allow us to connect to configuration server. We enter IP address of the configuration server and press connect and then press finish. Let's see here. Okay, as you can see, now we have replaced our server successfully. And we also can see that the system is full now. There are no missing hosts. Okay, thank you for watching.